Hey, what's up, guys? Just pulled up at the Sheen factory. Let's see what's going on. Do a flip.
Is it safe?
Yeah. Yo, go through it like the movies, the heist movies with Tom Cruise. Yeah. Hey guys, we're in the Pharaoh's tomb. Today we're gonna be awakening the ancient curse.
Thing! Thing!
Hey, what's up, guys? We're running for our lives right now. It's got Anderson. It's not looking good for us. Let you know later. Hey, what's up, guys? The sounds of my own breathing are all that accompany me now. This is not looking good.
See some gnarly?
I found Cap. Yeah.
He.
Oh, dude.
Dead bitch.
Kind of, I mean, not bad.
Wait. Oh!
Jump in like Tom Cruise. Come on. Let's go. We can do this, you and me.
There's nothing.
Hey, what's up, guys? Me and Cavill here. Today we're going to be making a mad dash for the ship. Anderson died, and Cavill did unspeakable things to his body. But like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. This is made for some great footage, man.